Hi, my name is Dianne Chen. I live and teach in Southwest France and work primarily with undergraduate and postgraduate students. I will be presenting my talk about sketchnoting inside and outside of the classroom at the 39th Annual International TESOL France Colloquium on Saturday the 21st of November at 11:15 a.m. There are so many ways to encourage and develop visual literacy, as well as numerous tools to aid language learning. Sketchnoting, or visual note-taking, is one of those many tools. It uses various elements like drawings, icons, shapes, and hand lettering, and applies them to note-taking. In my talk, I will introduce sketchnotes as a tool to help develop visual literacy skills and to aid in memory retention and developing skills in synthesizing ideas during a class. We will look at where sketchnotes fit in within the sphere of other visual learning aids, and we will also look at different examples for the use of sketchnotes inside and outside of the language learning classroom for both educators and students. Additionally, we'll touch on the before and after of integrating sketchnotes within a student's study workflow. So, in a nutshell, this presentation will be a basic introduction to sketchnoting by answering the questions, what are sketchnotes? Why use them, and how can I use them? This presentation is not, however, a step-by-step guide on how to sketchnote or an in-depth look at how to develop your skills as a sketchnoter. There are so many great resources out there that teach you how to sketchnote, and they do it much better than I ever could. So at the end of my talk, I will share my list of recommended resources as well. Hope to see you there on Saturday.